Today we're going to look at our place value chart. We're going to start off with our ones place. You have your ones, tens, hundreds. Next we're going to move on to our thousands place. Here we have our thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. And then in the fourth grade we're also going to be looking at decimals. So here's our decimal point right here. And then we have our tenths place, and then we have our hundredths place. For this slide, I'm going to go ahead and, this is all you're responsible for in the fourth grade, but I'm going to go ahead and show you just a little more advanced stuff you'll be doing in fifth and sixth grade. So we're going to go on to your thousands place next. And over here on to the left of the decimal, we'll be moving to our millions place. Alright, we have our millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and then on down the road we'll be next looking at your billions place. Your billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. Alright, let's look at our number right here in standard form. When you read this number, you would say 564,732,302 and 25 hundredths. This is written out in number form. You can see our decimal point is right here, and here's our decimals. Here's our ones, here's our thousands, and here's our millions. Next, let's look at the value of each of these places. We'll start here with our 100 millions place. The value of this 5 is 500 million. The value of this 6 is 60 million. The value of this 4 is 4 million. The value or the worth of this 7 is 700,000. The value of this 3 is 30,000. The value of this 2 is 2,000. The value of this 3 is 300. There is no 10, so we did not put the tens place here. And then the value of this 2 is simply 2. We have our decimal point right here. So now the value of the 2 is 2 tenths. So we're not quite at one whole. And the value of this 5 is 5 hundredths. Finally, let's look at these three numbers. So here we have 409, 236, 871. I don't care where these numbers are moved to, they will always be read the same. 409, 871, 236. Alright, so let's put them here into our ones place. This is our ones, tens, hundreds. So this number is read 236. Alright, let's move this one into our thousands place now. So this number will still be read 871. But now, this being our ones place, the next one over is our thousands place. So you would read this number 871,236. And then finally, this number is read 409. So we're going to put this down here, and this is going to be our millions place. So here we have our millions, thousands, and ones, or sometimes called units. Let's read this number as we go. We have 409,871,236. Alright, now I'm going to switch the numbers here. These numbers are still going to be read the same. 871, 236, 409. So let's read the whole number together. 871,236,409. Alright, let's switch it one more time. So these numbers will still be read exactly the same. 236, 409, 871. So let's read the whole number together. You have 236,409,871. So remember, these numbers are all read the same no matter where they are. The only difference is when you get to the comma, that is where you will say millions, and then the next comma is where you will say the thousands. That is the only difference. All right, thanks for watching today.